Your first question is, which Indian epic contains the Bhagavad Gita? A. Ramayana, B. Mahabharata, C. Vedas, D. Upanishads. Your correct answer is option B. Mahabharata. Your next question is, how many chapters does the Bhagavad Gita have? A. 16, B. 18, C. 20, D. 2. Your correct answer is option B. 18. Your next question is, who narrated the Bhagavad Gita? A. Arjuna, B. Lord Krishna, C. Bhishma, D. Vyasa. Your correct answer is option B. Lord Krishna. Your next question is, how many verses are there in the Bhagavad Gita? A. 500, B. 600, C. 700, D. 800. Your correct answer is option C. 700. Your next question is, on which battlefield was the Bhagavad Gita narrated? A. Kurukshetra, B. Lanka, C. Hastinapura, D. Ayodhya. Your correct answer is option A. Kurukshetra. Your next question is, what is the main theme of the Bhagavad Gita? A. War strategies, B. Spiritual wisdom and duty, C. Political leadership, D. Mythological stories. Your correct answer is option B. Spiritual wisdom and duty. Your next question is, what does the word Gita mean in Sanskrit? A. War, B. Song, C. Scripture, D. Duty. Your correct answer is option B. Song. Your next question is, which yoga is described as the path of devotion in the Bhagavad Gita? A. Karma Yoga, B. Jnana Yoga, C. Bhakti Yoga, D. Raja Yoga. Your correct answer is option C. Bhakti Yoga. Your next question is, who was the charioteer of Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita? A. Bhishma, B. Lord Krishna, C. Karna, D. Dronacharya. Your correct answer is option B. Lord Krishna. Your next question is, which chapter of the Gita is known as Karma Yoga? A. Chapter 2, B. Chapter 3, C. Chapter 4, D. Chapter 5. Your correct answer is option B. Chapter 3.